I want a step-by-step plan for passing crypto to heirs that will be simple, for yet secure, so crypto isn't lost or complex for them. Great question. We've covered this a few times, but I like the way you're asking for a very simple step. And here we are. So passing crypto to heirs, these are the first 5 steps in the 5-step program. So first of all, it's a good idea to use a hardware wallet. If it's only Bitcoin, you leave it to your kids, consider something like Trezor or Cold Card or Blockstream Jade. And remember, the simpler the device, it has less attack surfaces. Number 2, have some way for your loved ones to know how to use the seed and practice. We covered this before. Steps 3 to 4, buy steel plates. Keep one in your home or safe, and another one in with a relative you trust, or a safe deposit box. Keep your Trezor bank, this is step 4, sorry. Keep Trezor device at your bank or vault, something comparable to that is most secure. And 5, show your kids how the Trezor device works and make sure they know how to restore seed, and better yet, make a video of you doing it and make sure the video is in a location that they can easily find in the future. Remember, just practice. Make it as simple as possible. Once things get overcomplicated, then there can be an issue. And just one of these steps, something breaks along the way, there can be problems. So let's talk about a few more things. What not to do. First of all, storing sensitive information on Google Cloud without encrypting it is dangerous. Relying on Google Docs password system to protect sensitive information is dangerous. Using a soft password is dangerous. Click. Here's an example of how easy it is for a machine to crack a password. So if your password is 11 characters, all lowercase letters, it only takes 1 day to brute force crack your password. And you can see here, the more elements you include, for example, numbers with lowercase letters, with lower and uppercase letters, with numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters, and numbers, upper and lowercase letters, and symbols, and you have like 13 of them, which is the bogey number. 2 million years. 12, 11. 11 is key. Think of an 11 character word with all symbols, upper, lowercase, and numbers. And the good passwords are in green in this great little chart, just to give you an indication of how important it is. Now let's talk about a few other things. These are some additional plans to consider. And again, we're going real fast, so stop, pause, take notes, and follow these steps carefully. But consider, number 1, multi-sig. For your Bitcoin, you have many options. For example, Unchained Capital is a great option where Unchained will custody 1/3 of your keys and hold the other 2/3. And it takes 2 keys to unlock your Bitcoin. And Trezor has the ability to do multi-sig itself. And you can decide whether you want to split up those keys, how you want to do it. And perhaps 1 key in a will or something kept with an attorney would be a good idea. For Ethereum, one service that is reputable is gnosissafe.io, gnosis-safe.io. Remember, there can be fake URLs out there, so be very, very careful that you go to the right one. And they basically have a smart contract that provides multi-sig and integrates with Trezor as well. Number 2, use encryption. Use an encryption standard that's modern and widely available, like OpenSSL. And there's a lot more to read up on that, but I won't go into depth here, but just focus on that as well. And number 3, if you do store sensitive stuff in Google, encrypt the file first before uploading it to Google. This is called client-side encryption. And that way, anybody snooping around your Google Docs won't be able to get in there, and use OpenSSL to open it whenever you're ready. So these are just key little plans to consider. Remember as well, there is no one size fits all. Each individual family is different. Each one has a different level of sophistication, privacy, security, assets held, etc. So just think about that very, very carefully as you go forward as well, and build your own plan with some of these ingredients.